Assalamu alaikum. Today I want to talk about environmental factor for any kinds of neurological disorder. So I want to every neurological patient request you can, and patient caregiver, patient families also outside of the patient, outside visit of the patient, because outside visit is very important for neurological disorder. For example, dementia, psychological disorder, stroke. This is the patient are psychologically adapted. Everybody known that the physiotherapy is very important for any kinds of rehabilitation stage for patient. So I want to request patient are going to be outside given to be our endorphin hormone, dopamine, serotonin, exotonin, relaxin. This patient has improved the spectrum, this condition. So I want to request regularly physiotherapy, occupational therapy, other rehabilitation, and then go to the patient outside of the patient. So as a patient improve the result early as soon as possible. Everybody, thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.